Let me ask you, have you ever said to yourself, oh, I was so bad, I ate 3 cookies, or something like that? Or maybe you thought to yourself, I was good at lunch, so that means I can have some chips for a snack, right? No food is inherently good or bad. Food is just food. And you are not a good or bad person because of the choices you make. It's your thoughts about food, your relationship with food that's either healthy or unhealthy, not the food itself. Most diets, well, all of them, in fact, say you can eat certain foods and absolutely cannot eat some others. This guarantees failure if you're attempting a diet for any reason because of what happens mentally when you eat one of the foods from the bad list. If you restrict for too long, you start to feel rebellious. You deserve that ice cream and no one's going to tell you you can't have it, right? Or if you eat just a little bit of food from the bad list, you feel guilty, or you might even feel ashamed of yourself. And some people go as far as thinking of themselves as unworthy or even unlovable. Their self-esteem plummets, their stress skyrockets, and guess what? They end up eating a lot more food than they intended as a response to stress. It's best, I think, to stop thinking about food as being 100% good or 100% bad. Just because you eat something diet culture tells you is unhealthy for you doesn't mean the world is going to come to an end. And it doesn't mean you're a bad person. By the way, eating comfort food every now and then is probably not going to kill you either. As a matter of fact, it could be a good thing. I'm Holly Toscanini, a certified health coach and recovering chronic dieter. I coach women who are ready to walk away from diet culture and redefine their relationship with food, while at the same time establishing a peaceful relationship with their bodies. Does this sound like you or maybe somebody you know? If so, I'm so glad you're here. You see, my non-diet approach to health is really important because it allows you to stop wasting your precious time and energy trying to change yourself to fit some unrealistic ideal of beauty. Plus, it speaks to your underlying desire to feel valued and worthy just as you are. If you're ready to learn more, click the link in my bio to schedule a free discovery call to see if we're a good fit to work together. Let's get your life back from diet culture.